Mark Zuckerberg, the face of Facebook, the man who turned a college project into a global empire, is not just a social media mogul anymore. Behind the scenes, Zuckerberg has been quietly building something bigger, something that looks less like a social network and more like a SaaS empire powered by AI. When people think of Meta, they imagine Instagram Reels, Facebook ads, or VR headsets, but few realize that the real money machine is hidden in software as a service strategies. Today, we're going to break down Mark Zuckerberg's SaaS Playbook. We'll see how Meta is using AI to power SaaS-like products, how they're monetizing them, and most importantly, what lessons startup founders can learn from Zuckerberg's strategy in 2025. Chapter 1: From social media to SaaS. In the early 2000s, Facebook was a simple network, a way to connect college students. But Zuckerberg realized something critical very early: attention is power, but tools are money. Facebook evolved into an advertising platform, then into a messaging ecosystem, and now into a set of products that look very similar to SaaS companies. Think about it, SaaS is all about recurring revenue, sticky products, and high-margin software. Meta's Ads Manager, Messenger for business, WhatsApp API, Workplace, and AI-driven tools for creators. These are SaaS businesses hiding under the umbrella of social media. Zuckerberg saw the shift. Social platforms alone are risky, but SaaS models bring predictable growth. That is why Meta today looks more like Salesforce or Microsoft than the Facebook you knew 10 years ago. Chapter 2: AI as the foundation. Every great SaaS company today has one thing in common: AI as the backbone. Zuckerberg is betting heavily on AI, not just for flashy chatbots, but for deep infrastructure. Meta has built Llama, its open source AI model, a direct competitor to OpenAI's GPT. Why open source? Because Zuckerberg knows the power of community adoption, the same way WordPress won the CMS wars. By releasing Llama, Meta positioned itself as the developer's AI model. And here's the SaaS playbook: once developers adopt Meta's AI, they'll build apps, plugins, and services on top of it, creating an ecosystem where Meta becomes the foundation. It's not just about offering free models, it's about offering SaaS layers on top. Paid API access for enterprises, fine-tuned AI assistance for businesses, cloud hosting and integration services, AI-driven analytics for marketers and creators. Zuckerberg isn't trying to be a consumer-only AI brand. He's building SaaS-style infrastructure plus tools that enterprises can't ignore. Chapter 3: Meta's hidden SaaS products. Let us talk specifics, because Meta already has SaaS-like products most people don't even notice. 1. Ads Manager as SaaS. Meta Ads Manager is basically a marketing SaaS platform. It allows businesses to target, optimize, and scale campaigns. It's not free, it charges indirectly through ad spend. The more tools you use, the more you spend. Classic SaaS economics. 2. WhatsApp Business API. This is one of the fastest growing SaaS-style products at Meta. Businesses pay for automated messaging, CRM integrations, and communication at scale. In markets like India and Brazil, WhatsApp has become the backbone of commerce. 3. Workplace from Meta. Often overlooked, but Workplace is a direct competitor to Slack and Microsoft Teams, a subscription SaaS tool for internal company communication. It didn't get the hype of Instagram, but it's a pure SaaS model that's generating steady enterprise revenue. 4. Creator tools and subscriptions. Meta now allows creators to build subscription-based communities on Instagram and Facebook. This is SaaS at a micro level. Meta is enabling other people to run their own SaaS-like businesses while taking a cut. 5. AI Studio and Meta AI. Meta's new AI Studio lets businesses build custom chatbots for Messenger and WhatsApp. Think about it, this is SaaS in disguise. Companies subscribe to AI solutions powered by Meta's models. Each of these tools may look small on the surface, but together, they form the SaaS playbook of Meta. Chapter 4: The Playbook Lessons for Founders. So what can you as a startup founder or creator learn from Zuckerberg's SaaS playbook? Lesson 1: Own the platform. Then layer SaaS. Zuckerberg didn't just build apps, he built platforms. Once he had the users, he layered SaaS services on top. As a founder, think, can you create a free product that attracts users, then monetize with SaaS layers? Lesson 2: Recurring revenue is king. Meta's advertising looks transactional, but the tools behind it run like subscriptions. Businesses keep coming back because once you ray inside Ads Manager or WhatsApp Business, you don't leave. Your startup should aim for the same stickiness. Lesson 3: Open source can be a strategy. Releasing Llama for free wasn't charity, it was strategy. By being the open alternative to OpenAI, Meta attracts developers who will eventually pay for enterprise features. Founders should ask, what can I give away free to build an ecosystem, and what premium features can I charge for? Lesson 4: AI is the new SaaS engine. Every SaaS in 2025 that wins big will have AI at its core: personalization, automation, insights. Zuckerberg isn't building AI for fun, he is baking it into SaaS layers that businesses will pay for. You need to do the same: integrate AI wherever it adds value. Lesson 5: global first, not Silicon Valley first. Meta didn't just test WhatsApp business in the US, it went straight to emerging markets where adoption is explosive. SaaS founders should consider global plays, not just Western markets. Chapter 5: The future of AI plus SaaS with Meta. Where is all this heading? Zuckerberg's next decade is not just about VR or the metaverse, it's about owning AI SaaS infrastructure at scale. Imagine this: a small business in Africa using WhatsApp AI assistants to sell products. A big e-commerce brand in Europe running ad campaigns optimized by Meta AI. US startup using llama-powered chatbots as part of their SaaS stack. All of these businesses pay Meta in one way or another. That's the playbook: SaaS at scale, powered by AI, hidden in everyday tools. Meta's SaaS empire will not look like Salesforce dashboards, it will look like your daily apps. Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. That's the genius: SaaS disguised as consumer apps. For founders, the future lesson is clear: SaaS is no longer just B2B dashboards. It's embedded into consumer platforms, into messaging, into social, into AI assistants. Zuckerberg is showing us the path. Outro: your turn to play. Mark Zuckerberg's journey from a dorm room coder to a SaaS-style empire builder teaches us this: platforms come and go, but SaaS powered by AI is the real endgame. If you're a founder in 2025, don't just chase the next TikTok. Build sticky SaaS layers that people can't live without. Because the future belongs to those who can blend AI with recurring revenue models. Zuckerberg has written the playbook, now it's your turn to execute it. So what's your SaaS idea? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into AI, SaaS, and startup strategies.